Stop and declare this now. This Saturday is not just a day to rest. It's your day of restoration, refreshing, and renewal. Declare this and enter your weekend with supernatural rest. Morning prayer and prophetic declarations. Today, I receive rest for my soul and strength for my body. My peace is protected and my spirit is renewed. God restores what the week tried to drain. I enter stillness and hear His voice clearly. I'm refreshed to dream again, plan again, believe again. Heaven surrounds my home with calm and comfort. This is my day of divine reset and refreshing. Drop an amen in the comments. If you're receiving divine restoration today, subscribe to Heavenly Rhythms and turn on notifications for daily empowerment.